You said never let me go.
Hello everybody, greetings to all. This video is about a techie fact on screen recording in PC or laptops using Microsoft PowerPoint. There could be some other ways, but this will be easy and simple. Let's start the show. To initiate, just open a blank presentation and see for screen recording from recordings menu. While clicking that, below pop-up will be displayed and this is for selecting the screen area as per our wish. It's not like you can record only PowerPoint screens, as it could be any screen in your laptop. Now I'm going to record a portion in Microsoft Excel by clicking the record button. It will be started with a countdown, and to stop the recording press Windows with Shift and Q. Recording of selected portion has been running and I'm just inputting some keywords for size increase and pivot data and basic Excel functions to have some stuff in my recorded video. And now I will stop the recording by pressing Windows Shift Q. Once I stop, the recording will be automatically pasted in my current slide, and from there I could be able to save that recorded video as media in my PC or laptop desired location. Alright, thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you.